Back at you with another Cooking Creations. This is Chef Brandon, Executive Chef of the Four Winds Casino. Today we got a great dish here. It's a nice salad that you can bring to any kind of food gatherings, to family affairs. You can surprise your family and friends with it. It's a different take on a pasta salad. This is an Asian peanut noodle salad. So it's got a lot of different components, from peanut butter in it to soy sauce. I mean, it just really goes around every kind of taste bud. You got a little sugar, a little sweetness with the honey. You got some robust bell peppers in there. So let's break it down. Let me go through these ingredients with you so you can see what I'm talking about. So I did do a pre-boiled off noodle here. So you can use any kind of spaghetti noodle that you'd like, or bring in kind of egg noodle or anything like that into the dish. Some fresh garlic, some ginger, peanut butter. We have some honey, some lime juice, pre-squeezed it. We got some chili pepper flakes. I do have some slivered almonds. You can substitute peanuts for that, or cashews, or anything like kind of what you prefer. Got some tuxedo sesame seeds. You can also just use white sesame seeds. It's okay. We have some rice wine vinegar. Some soy sauce, shredded carrots. So I like to use the multicolored carrot. It gives a little different look to your dish. I like it, kind of brightens it up and makes it fun. We got some cilantro, some green onions, bell pepper, and some Napa cabbage. You can substitute Napa cabbage with green cabbage or purple cabbage too. So it's kind of a versatile dish. So let's get started with it. We're gonna start cutting and prepping. Watch. All right, there you have it. We got everything chopped up, all nice and ready to go. Here we go now. We're gonna go to our dressing here. Dressing's very simple. You see these ingredients right here, they're pretty much just mix and go. We're gonna put everything in one bowl. So we got our peanut butter, our honey, honey, rice wine vinegar, our soy sauce, a little bit of lime juice. All right, now we'll hit it with a little bit of our chili pepper flakes. Gives it a little bite, a little flavor, but nothing too crazy. You can go a little heavier, a little lighter if you don't like spice, if you do. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. We have our veggies, our pasta. Oops, sorry. Whoa. Now we're going to give this a toss. You bring something like this. Now this is not your standard macaroni salad, potato salad to a cookout. This will get you some attention out there, and they bring something like this to the table. All right, we're going to go ahead and plate this. So you can really garnish this with anything if you really want. You can have, put some lime wedges on the side if you really want to wow some people with that. I like to throw a little bit of like a tuxedo sesame seed, sometimes cashew nuts, like I was saying earlier, some green onions if you want on the top. I think that's about all I'm going to get on that dish. So we'll go ahead and show you. I got some slivered almonds just to add a little crunch to our dish here, and some tuxedo sesame seeds. Really brings the color around on that dish. And there you have it. Simple, clean, crisp. It will touch every element that you got. I'm telling you, you gotta wow your people with this one. They're gonna love it, all right? Again, it was fun. We had some great time in the kitchen today. Enjoy yourself. From my kitchen to yours, this is Chef Brandon, another Cooking Creations.